I'm nervous.
No, I'm looking forward to it. I love vodka.
Well, yeah, so do I, but like, this is now putting our powers to the test, if you like.
What could go wrong? We get a free shot either way.
We get a free shot, we can get it wrong, and we're shamed for all eternity for our Polish brothers and
People
sisters.
won't judge us, I'm sure.
Well, we'll see. Okay, so left first?
Okay, let's just do the sniff test. I think it's vodka.
Yeah, they smell very similar.
I think this one's more vodka-y.
More ethanol in that one.
Yes.
Alright, let's just left.
Okay, alright. Let's throw it.
Yeah.
I like that. Not sure you do.
I think it's always the first swig that's always a bit.
It was quite smooth.
Yeah, it did, but.
Let's do this.
Gosh. There's not much in between it.
Okay, I think that one smells smooth now.
Yeah? Smells smoother.
Yeah.
It smells smoother.
Yeah.
It's very close, which is worrying because one's supposed to be better than the other. Well. Ooh, duh! This is duh.
I think I like that one more.
I'm for the right one. I'm for the right one.
Okay.
Right is Polish, left is not. Yes! What was it? I don't usually like that one, so I'm not surprised that. Oh, Ukrainian.
That was the.
It was
that
Ukrainian. Ukrainian was. It was
That's
definitely
why
ethanol.
it smelled strong.
It smelled strong. It tasted strong. Ukrainians like their paint stripper. I mean, to be fair, the Polish one wasn't that much better. It was a little bit better. It was a little bit better. Polish wins. That's one. One for Polish. Yes. Game on.